Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Bissell Deep Cleaning Stain Trapper Tool. So this is the stain trapper tool. It's got a little compartment here that the dirty water is going to go into. There's a brush here. And when you press the solution, which I'm going to show you, the solution is going to come out right here. So the theory behind this is you're going to hook this up to your hose. So this will attach to any Bissell little green machine. You're going to press this little button. There's where the solution is going to come out. You're going to line that up, press it until it snaps. So you're going to have suction and you're going to have solution. When I press the button, you'll get solution come out here, and it's going to suck up right through here. The theory is if you got a really bad pet mess or like a really bad stain that you don't want it to travel the whole length of your hose, it's going to just travel to this part right here. So if we look in here, it's going to come up here and be directed into this. That's what that's for. So it won't hold a whole bunch, but it is if it's a really bad mess, it'll go right here and not the full length of your hose. And then you just take it off, easy to clean. That's the stain trapper tool. It says it works best when used slowly, empty tank when full. So let's go demonstrate how it works. Okay, so the tank is empty. We're going to turn it on and solution's going to come out right there. Now I can still scrub with this. Now see how the stuff is coming right there? It's not going through the whole, it's not going all the way to the dirty water tank. I do have a lot of force that I can scrub with. There's where all the stuff's at. Okay, so let's open this up, and there's where the dirty water is. So now I can just empty this, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.